So it's been a while. We had a dry summer and it didn't start raining probably till about November. We got a good one. I caught COVID, got locked down in a hospital, so I couldn't chase waterfalls, but I'm better now. And got a 3 inches of snow, 4 inches of snow, and just had an ice storm a couple of days ago. And it's been raining, so we've been getting plenty of water. McWater waterfall. Woo! Waterfalls, woo! Well, here's the map. So as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 trails. So you want to, we're here. You just want to get up on this top trail, even if it's this green one or this yellow one, because the yellow one goes into the green one and the green one goes to the waterfall. So just stay high and you'll be all right. And that green trail goes all the way around. To Lake Alma Trail. So that's 4.4 miles if you go around the whole thing. All right, let's finish this route. Okay. He probably wants this gas. Ha! Yeah, see me and make light work. There you go. Started out a big. Started working out in the fall. Yeah, after being in the hospital bed for 12 days and then locked down in the hotel for 3 days of snow, that'll strengthen your back up a bit.